Hi everyone, my name is Pupat Munsi from PB1 class, MV35. Back to the future, the moon. When we think about going to the moon, we often picture Neil Armstrong and the Apollo missions over 50 years ago, right? But recently, humanity has been preparing to go back, and that lies a big question. Why are we going back to the moon now? And how is this time any different? The simple answer is the goal has completely changed. Back in the 1960s, the Apollo programs was about space race. It was about planting a flag, collecting samples, and coming right back. But today, under NASA's Artemis program, we are not going back just to visit. We are going back to stay. We want to build a sustainable human presence on the moon. So, why the moon? There are three main reasons. First, resource. Scientists found water ice at the moon's south pole. This ice can be used for drinking water, oxygen, and even broken down into hydrogen for rocket fuel, like there in space. Second, a stepping stone to Mars. The moon is only 3 days away from Earth. It's the perfect test bed for long-term space living before we send humans to Mars. And third, the new space economy. This time it's not just government. Commercial companies like SpaceX are joining in, creating a whole new era of space technology and exploration.
But the film is a sad thing more, 'cause I wrote it 10 times or more.
With recent missions like Artemis 2, which sent astronauts around the moon, we are testing life support system and heat shield to ensure everything is safe before landing humans on the surface again. So, Back to the Future, the moon, isn't about repeating history. It is about using the moon as a gateway to the stars. Thank you for watching, everybody.